Today we will be testing the Leavitt projection indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Leavitt projection indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 764 indicators, with 308 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 14 of the winning indicators. 7 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one is 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Leavitt projection indicator. We actually tested this one a couple of videos back, and in that testing what we did was we were looking for the bar coloration here, and we were looking for when the bar coloration was red to go short and light green to go long. And so in that video, as I discussed, it seemed like often we were getting the reds and the light green right as the line was starting to slow down and switch directions. And so a prime example is right here. You can see this area as the line comes down here, the oscillating line. You can see that it's slowing down and starting to switch direction, and as it is, we get that change to the red color. Same way over here, you can see that we get a nice push to the upside there in the dark green, but then as soon as it starts to roll over, lose its momentum, it then turns into the yellow, which could make sense if you were looking at this like a histogram, for example. Often what we'll see is one color as we're getting nice momentum to the upside, and then as that starts to roll over in the histogram, then you will see that it starts to change into a different color. And so it's possible that this indicator here kind of has that kind of same principle into it there. And so what we're going to do is we are going to look for when we get this dark purple maroon color, we are going to go short. When we get the dark green here, we are going to go long. And so that's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. We get that right here with that dark purple maroon colored candle there, and pretty much immediately we are getting a push to the upside there, and it looks like that did Yep, does come up and stop us out. We then pick up another short signal right here. Happens on these really small candles, so it's kind of hard to see. But we then pick up those maroon color candles then, and we get a nice drop to the downside there. So it looks like that one might, well, not quite yet. There we go. And then we pick up that take profit there on that one. We don't enter into this one. This one wouldn't be another signal because it was already taking place while we were on this one right here. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up the dark green color right here for a long, and again, pretty much immediately we roll over and push to the downside there, and that one does come down and stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up the short right here, another maroon candle setup, and immediately we get a push to the upside there, which does come up and stop us out once again. We then pick up a long right here, kind of same thing. We are moving in the opposite direction right as we pick up the signal right here. I don't think it stopped us out yet, but it's getting really close to, yep, right there, it stops us out. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here. It's free to join our Discord. We have lots of channels for everybody to hang out, discuss things about trading and indicators and so on, but we also have a Patreon only channel here on our Discord. And so this is our Patreon only channel here. It's set up for our patrons to kind of hang out, take advantage of some advanced information that we are putting out. Our admin Jay is trading Forex, does an amazing job of trading, trading futures, and he is putting up regular screenshots. Let's see if I can find some. So this is Sasquatch here, actually. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader, and you can see here that if I scroll back, he posts chart after chart after chart. Really great, amazing stuff here that he's putting up pretty much every single day, posting charts on multiple pairs, multiple setups, and these charts are marked out with areas of support and resistance. Areas of interest that he's looking to take trades. Sometimes he even has it marked out where he is looking to enter a trade, where he is looking to take profit, where his stop is, the whole deal. Some really, really great market analysis by Sasquatch here. You can see in this particular case, he took a position to the upside here, and then as this pair rolled over, he then took a short position, writing that down, getting 2 wins right there. And so even if you are just looking to trade a trading system and not necessarily trade support and resistance or like candle pattern setups, this is some great information to be able to identify and mark out on your charts. And so that way you can understand how these areas play a role in whatever system it is that you're going to use. And Sasquatch does an amazing job at marking up charts and analyzing the candlestick patterns and setups on these different pairs. Our admin Jay, like I said, is trading futures. I don't see one of his charts here right offhand, but he's putting up charts that are very similar to this, just of the futures market, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, where he's looking to take trades, exactly what he's thinking, where his mind is, the whole deal. A lot of great stuff being put out here for the patrons to take advantage of and excel your trading knowledge. Highly recommend that you join us and hang out here with us. All right, back to the indicator here. So we got quite a few trades within the 1 year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So we have 31 trades within the 1 year's time, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria on this one as well. Quite an over trader, 31 trades within 1 year is quite a bit of trades. You want to have a reasonable number within the 1 year of trading, but at the same time, you don't want to trade so frequently that you're just jumping in every little move the market makes and taking losing trades. We've seen this many times before that the more trades you pack into 1 year of trading often is the less accurate that trading is. And so this is a prime example that we just see this indicator throwing signals every couple days basically, and as it's doing that, it's just taking losing trade after losing trade after losing trade. So this one's going to stay on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.